Alden, it's your update. Yung post ni Alden sa kanyang Instagram for BDO na endorsement niya. Ang gwapo pa nga ng model ng BDO eh. Alden Richard yan. Sabi ni Alden, I'm always on the go with tapings, meeting, event, and more. Kahit malapit sa taping location, pwede. It's easy, simple, and secure. And pati si Direk Cathy, naki-heart na rin sa stand ni Alden sa BDO. Yun, cute ni Direk Cathy. We find ways. Tapos ito pa yung ganap ni Alden, may endorsement shoot si Alden. Sabi dito sa caption, one more before Christmas. And napaka-busy ni Alden eh. Tapos ito post na Sting Energy Drink na endorsement ni Alden. Ayan, gising Lodi, antok kami. Simbang gabi na, painom. Aga, Sting Energy Drink. Saka ito pa, The Hungry Pita with Alden. Ayan, may promo, buy 2 get 1 free. Shawarma large, Ito for bench.
And hey Bench fam, this is Albert and we're at the Benchmark Holiday Pop-Up here at SM Mall of Asia. If you're still looking for perfect, this place has everything you need.
Benchmark.
Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. Pasaya si Alden dyan. Nagkaroon ng meet and greet sa opening ng Benchmark SM Mall of Asia ng nakarang araw.
So guys, that was just a sneak peek of all amazing items. And don't forget to stop by the Benchmark Holiday Pop-Up at SM Mall of Asia for your perfect Christmas finds.
For bench. Ito ba yung mga video ni Alden? Ang sabi dito sa caption, sulit yung sulat ko, bigla kong nakita si Alden Richard Pogue Jr. ko sa personal. Lalim pa ng dimples. Puti pa, grabe yun. Game si Alden. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Victor the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.